People tend to undercook mushrooms, and what you want is that nice brown color and sweating out the moisture. You don't want the mushrooms to be soggy. No one likes soggy mushrooms. And, I only
This is broken. I don't remember which one.
Sam's Club has probably the best of all of them.
Yeah, I like that one.
Just freaking happy. He just started playing with this. But he might also zone out trying to survive. Okay. I'll start adding a little bit of cream here. Not too much. Not a little. And here just a sploosh, good sploosh of cooking wine. And again, obviously I'm gonna cut out a lot of this stuff.
Yeah.
Okay, some Italian seasoning. I'm kind of probably breaking some rules of cooking, but who cares? Salt and pepper. Okay, now I'm going to give it a little stir. White wine. Reduce it and then evaporate it basically. No wine for her yet because there's still some bread. Me. Man, why are you so happy? Why are you so happy? Why are you so happy? Look at him, he's smiling. Why are you so happy? Plop all those pasta noodles inside the sauce. It's fantastic. Gonna do a quick check. Beautiful little baby makes you slow down because everything takes so much longer. And the last year was crazy. I will never skimp on flavor.